by and take a look at the 2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, backup camera, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, backup camera, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.